One of the reasons that I started teaching ASL is because of a red balloon. Yep, a red balloon. Long ago, I worked in an after-school program, and one of my responsibilities was taking care of the kids while they were waiting for the bus to pick them up. One day, one of the boys was waiting for his bus, and as he saw the bus pull up, he saw that there was a little boy on the bus with a red balloon. I'm sure it must have been a birthday gift. But our deaf student immediately knew this was a problem. He couldn't get on that bus because he had a very severe allergy to latex, and balloons were out of the question. Now, the bus driver had a list of allergies that he should have been aware of, but maybe he was busy that day and he forgot, because when the boy refused to get on the bus, he became very upset. The deaf boy started signing allergy, 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 and pointing to the red balloon. But the bus driver didn't understand him. I stepped up and explained the situation. The bus driver immediately remembered, yes, latex was forbidden on that bus, and the balloon had to go. Our student had to wait for another bus to pick him up because his allergy was that severe. And this is the reason that I think everybody needs to know at least a little ASL.